next 2 years through this corridor, we're going to plant close to 1,900 native trees and shrubs. We're going to create 5 acres of native tallgrass prairie, restore a small wetland by planting 1,000 aquatic plants, installing 10 nest boxes, and also planting some native wetland seed. And we're going to install some interpretive signs along there to inform residents and trail users about the project. Opened up the first 3 kilometers of the trail this past summer with the goal of working farther down as we go. Awesome. So this is pretty new. This is the trail you're standing on. It's pretty new walk.
Nice.
Hurry up, Colin.
The restoration work along the trail here is not just going to benefit the trail, but also the river corridor. It's going to be to bulk up the existing woodlots that are along the Thames River, which act as a corridor for migration of animals, also feeding opportunities for local animals, birds, and mammals.
Yeah, no, true.